Delhi High Court slammed the State Education Department over the school fee hike issue. The High Court observed that the government has taken a callous view on private schools. Private schools have still not returned the excess fee charged from parents. The court affidavit exclusively accessed by Mirror Now states that only 6 schools out of the 531 have returned excess fee in time. Milan joins me on the phone line now. Milan, the Delhi High Court coming down heavily on private schools for not returning the access fee charged by them.
Yes, the Delhi High Court has come down heavily on the Delhi government, stating that the affidavit that they filed in the High Court does not even mention the names of the schools that were, in this list of 6 schools who seem to have paid the fees back to the parents. And this is the number of 6 schools in this affidavit, which was exclusively accessed by Mirror Now. It's very minuscule when we talk about the 544 or schools that were under the scanner. As per the Justice Anil Dev Singh Committee report, which were found to be submitting bogus records of their balance sheets and which were charging excess fee from parents and many earmark levies as well. And this is something that the Delhi High Court has been pulling up time and again. We remember a month or so from ago, the Delhi government had mentioned that they will either de-recognize or take over the schools that are not refunding the excess fee. But now we know that the government has filed an affidavit in court saying that only 6 schools have refunded the fee in full, while 13 have refunded the fee in partial, which again raises the question of why a strict step is not being taken for other private schools who have failed to comply under the High Court's directions and the directions of the Delhi government.
Milan, only 6 schools have complied to the order, and this after we saw parents protesting across India against arbitrary fee hike. Till when do the schools need to comply with this order?
That's correct. Only 6 schools have complied with the order, and that is quite depressing for the parents who have been protesting for over a year now and more than years on the issue of school fee hike. And the government is saying or claiming that there are many schools who have taken stay orders from the Delhi High Court on this particular issue, and hence their paying the fee remains in dispute. But what we know right now is that on the 16th of August, the government is going to file another affidavit in front of the High Court, and hence then they will be able to give a fresh report on whether these schools are willing to comply or not. And we remember, when the government says they will be de-recognized, it remains to be seen if the Delhi government of the Education Department is willing to take this harsh step.